Loki Basecamp is launching its EV series of slide-in bed campers for the Rivian R1T, Tesla Cybertruck, and Ford F-150 Lightning. Kinda cool, right? There's no doubt the Loki Basecamp camper looks futuristic, sleek, and modern, although it's no Cyberlander, that's for sure. You can place your pre-order for the unit on the company's website with the expectation that it'll come to fruition sometime in the second quarter of 2022. Here's the kicker. The price of the EV series bed camper starts at $135,000, and deposit alone requires writing a check for $10,000. Holy smokes. Grab your charge cords and brace yourselves for the shock. Sure, the deposit is refundable and it will be deducted from the final price, but who would be loco enough for a Loki Basecamp product to throw down that kind of cash? Never mind that the R1T, Cybertruck, and F-150 Lightning aren't even on sale yet. Loki Basecamp is a high-end adventure vehicle company that builds the likes of bed-mounted according to customer criteria. Its slide-in camper units are fabricated in Quebec City, Canada. A second Colorado-based location is due to come online in 2022. Through its Falcon series, the company makes units for trucks with 5.0, 6.5, and 8.0 foot beds, covering the gamut of mid-size and full-size trucks on the market. There's also an Icarus series coming soon for trucks with 6.5 or 8.0 foot beds, and it starts at a much more reasonable $95,000. Can you sense the sarcasm? There is no low-end Loki Basecamp, and there are no low-quality materials used in the company's builds. We can't wait to see what the future holds for Loki Basecamp's EV series of slide-in bed campers, and for electric trucks, too. Chances are slim of ever seeing a Loki Basecamp Rivian Edition, Cybertruck Edition, or F-150 Lightning Edition exploring the backwoods, but there's got to be some rich on Bitcoin or Dogecoin customer out there looking to reserve Loki's home away from home for their preferred battery electric pickup truck. Adventure Brand launches shockingly expensive EV series slide-in truck bed campers for electric trucks from Rivian, Tesla, and more.